Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you what you can do if your Gmail is not working in your device Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4. So if your Gmail is not working in your device Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4, you can make it work by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix your problem related to Gmail in your device.